Hello all, welcome to Your Schemes. I'm Ilakya. I hope you are all doing well. Today we are going to see 12 small finance bank that is offering highest interest rate on fixed deposits. Before we start, you may ask why to invest in small finance bank. The first reason is that small finance bank offers higher interest rate compared to other government banks and other private sector banks. Plus, these also offer higher interest rate in saving account as well. The next question you may get is small finance bank safe for fixed deposits? The answer is yes. It is safe to have fixed deposits up to rupees 5 lakh, as small finance bank deposits are protected under Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation DICGC. This is regulated by RBI. This insurance covers up to rupees 5 lakh. 5 lakh includes all deposits in saving, current, fixed and recurring. For example, if you have 2 lakh in savings and 3 lakhs in FD, if the bank fails, you will get rupees 5 lakh. Let's suppose you have 5 lakh in saving account and fixed deposits of 2 lakh. If the bank fails, then you will only get rupees 5 lakh. So make sure that the amount in FD, savings, current or recurring should all club to only 5 lakh rupees. However, you can also increase this 5 lakh insurance cover. I will discuss that in our next video. So please make sure to subscribe to Your Schemes and hit the bell icon. Let's start with the interest rate offered by small finance bank. Let's start with AU Small Finance Bank. This bank offers up to 7.75% to general public and 8.25% to senior citizen. This is for tenure 24 months to 36 months. These rates are effective 5th June 2023. In this bank, the interests are compounded annually, and you can also apply for fixed deposit online through their AU0101 app or net banking. You can also take advantage of their tax saving fixed deposits. The penalty of premature withdrawal from this bank is 1%. Let's move on to Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. This bank gives up to 8.25 to general public and 8.75% to senior citizen, and this is for tenure 12 months and 80 weeks, that is 560 days. These rates are effective 1st June 2023. You can also opt their digital fixed deposit without creating a saving account. This bank provides multiple payout options, monthly, quarterly and on maturity. Ujjivan Small Finance Bank also provides FD advice delivered to email address. This bank has 25 branches across India. There is no penalty charges for premature withdrawal after 6 months. Next we have Jana Small Finance Bank. This bank offers 8.50% to general public and 9% to senior citizen for a tenure of 500 days. These rates are effective 30th May 2023. This bank also provides online FDs through mobile banking app. Premature withdrawal penalty is of 0.5% rate. Next on the list we have is Equitas Small Finance Bank. This bank for a tenure of 444 days and for a tenure of 888 days offers 8.5% to general public and 9% to senior citizens. These rates are effective 5th June 2023. This bank offers nomination facility as well, and there is no penalty on premature withdrawal above 6 months. Online facility for FD is also available. Let's move on to Capital Small Finance Bank. This bank offers 7.6% to general public and 8.25% to senior citizen. This is for a tenure of 12 months to 600 days. and these rates are effective April 5th, 2023. Next we have Fincare Small Finance Bank. This bank offers 8.51% to general public and 9.11% to senior citizen. This is for tenure 1000 days. This bank also provides payout options of monthly, quarterly, yearly, half yearly and on maturity. Next we have ESAF Small Finance Bank. This bank offers 8.50% to general public and 9% to senior citizen. This is for tenure 2 years to less than 3 years. In this bank, fixed deposit can be applied online. These rates are effective 14th April 2023. Next we have Northeast Small Finance Bank. This bank offers 8.50 to general public and 9.25% to senior citizen, and this is for tenure of 555 days and another tenure of 1111 days. These rates are effective 26 June 2023. Loan and overdraft facility is available in this bank. Next we have Suryoday Small Finance Bank. This bank offers 9.1% to general public and highest interest rate of 9.6% to senior citizen. This is for a tenure of 5 years. These rates are effective from June 1, 2023. There is no penalty charges applied for premature withdrawal. Next we have Utkarsh Small Finance Bank. This bank offers 8.25% to general public and 8.85% to senior citizen. This is for tenure 1000 days to 1500 days. These rates are effective 22 May 2023. Penalty for premature withdrawal is 1%. In this bank, option to apply online for FD is available. Next we have Shivalik Small Finance Bank. This bank offers 8% to general public and 8.5% to senior citizen. This is for tenure 18 months to 36 months. And this bank also provide facility to apply fixed deposit online. These rates are effective January 2023. Loan and overdraft facility is available. Next we have Unity Small Finance Bank. This bank offers 9% to general public and 9.5% to senior citizen. This is for tenure 1001 day. There is a penalty of 1% for premature closure. We have now seen the fixed deposit interest rate of all the 12 small finance banks. As per this list, the highest interest rate is provided by Suryoday Small Finance Bank, which is 9.6%. However, as most of the bank is providing 9% and above, you can select the bank which fits best for you, depending whether the branch is available in your location or any other online facility available. You can also select the bank depending on other options such as loan facility, tax saving facility and etc. As your deposits are covered under DICGC, which is subsidiary of RBI, you can be assured that your money is safe. Many of you would have had SBI account. Recently, SBI has extended the last date for their popular schemes fincare and Utkarsh. We have made full detailed video on this. I have given the link in the description box below. Please check those videos. Please hit the like button if you feel this information was helpful and share it with your friends. Please make sure to subscribe to your schemes and hit the bell icon. If you have any doubts, you can write us to yourschemes@gmail.com. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.